if you need to get to your bottom bracket, the first thing you have to do is take off these crank arms. And I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is take this little dust cap off, and that reveals a bolt. Yours might be a different size, but mine's 14 millimeter. I just take that off. Don't lose the washer. Now these are square taper cranks, so these are just pressed back onto there, and you have to pull them off. Now take your crank puller. I highly recommend Park Tool. This is a Park Tool CWP7. I'll link it in the description. Now what you want to do is unscrew this until the pin is back in there. And there are two different sizes. There's different spacers you can put on the pin, but I need the smaller size for mine. Now you screw the front part, the larger diameter threads, into your crank. And then what you want to do is screw this pin in and get a wrench and keep screwing it in until your crank pops off. Sometimes a crank can be tricky, but that's all there is to it. I wanted to give a quick mention to vidIQ for helping me with my video ideas. If you're a YouTuber like me, you'll want to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below.